In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer games on Steam to another hard drive. If your main drive is running low on space or you want your games on a faster SSD, this process lets you move installed titles without reinstalling them from scratch. First, make sure the hard drive you want to use is connected and has enough free space for the games you plan to move. Then open Steam. You'll do everything from inside the Steam client, so keep it running until the move is complete. Next, go to the Steam menu at the top left and choose Settings. In the Settings window, look for the section called Storage. If you're using an older version of Steam, you might see this under Downloads as Steam Library folders. Both lead to the same place, the area where Steam manages your game library locations. Inside Storage, you'll see your current library folders and how much space is available on each. If your new hard drive isn't listed yet, you'll add it as a library location. Click the plus button to add a drive or library folder. When prompted, pick the new hard drive, often labeled D, E, or another letter, and confirm the folder Steam suggests, or select a dedicated folder for your library. This does not move anything yet. It simply tells Steam that this drive is now a valid place to store games. With the new library in place, you're ready to move your games. In the storage view, you'll see a list of installed titles. Select the game or games you want to relocate by ticking the boxes next to their names. Then click Move. Steam will ask where to put them. Choose the new drive you just added and confirm. Steam will begin transferring the files. The time this takes depends on the game size and the speed of your drives. It's best not to close Steam, shut down your PC, or interrupt the process while it's moving. If the game is actively updating or downloading, pause those first to keep the move smooth. When the move finishes, the game remains in your Steam library just as before, but its files now live on the new drive. Your desktop shortcuts still work, and in most cases your save data is preserved, especially if the game uses Steam Cloud. If you're using an external drive, keep it connected before launching the game. For the best performance, a fast internal SSD is recommended. That's it. You opened Steam, visited Settings and Storage, added your new drive if needed, selected your games, and moved them over. Quick, clean, and no reinstall required.